Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We have been in the section of similar triangles, right? In between, we left few problems of construction in the first and second exercise. Let us do all those construction sum in this session, okay? See here, you have a basic introduction of construction materials, right? Yes or no? Today I will just show you how to do everything so that you can draw with your compass and scale. Okay. Now see here, the question given here it is, he is asking us to draw a line segment of length 7.2 centimeters and divide its parts into 5:3, and he is asking us to measure two parts, right. This is a very simple question, but for this question let us write what are the requirements, right. What are the requirements to attempt a question from constructions? Okay, shall we do? Now see here, let us solve. What is given? Given some length AB is equal to 7.2 centimeter, right, and he is asking us to divide each part into 5:3 ratio. Now let us draw. See here, once again I am telling, whenever you do some construction there should be given, okay, and RTP also. RTP is to divide AB into 5:3 ratio, and the next construction, the next steps of construction, right, and other figures such as triangle, quadrilateral, whatever there, you have to draw the rough diagram also. Okay, if they ask you to verify, you even have to verify it. Okay, now see here, what is the first step? I have to draw a line segment AB of length 7.2 centimeter. Okay. After that, he is asking me to divide its parts. How to do? In order to divide into 5:3 parts, I have to draw a line under this making some angle less than 45, 45 or less than 45. Okay, it is actually suitable thing. Okay. Now let me divide this whole line. Let us assume how much length it should be. See here, here it is 5:3. If I add those both, how much I do get? 5 plus 3 is 8. Let us draw up to 8 centimeters, okay, and take with the A as center, okay, with A as center and 1 centimeter as radius, let us cut an arc. Again with this as radius, let us assume it to be A1, cut one more arc, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. This is my 8th part, isn't it? Now join this A8 to B. Draw a line joining A8 to B. Which part do they want? They want 5:3 ratio, which means 5 parts to be on left side, 3 parts to be on right side. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th part is this, right. Draw a line which is parallel to A8. Is it okay? Draw a line which is parallel to A8. This and this both should be parallel. Therefore, this will be my point. Let us assume it to be C, which is in the ratio 5:3. Is it clear? This is what he asked. There is nothing. This is nothing but a small simple ray. Is it clear? Did you understand? Okay. Now let us write construction steps. First thing, what is the first step? Draw line segment AB is equal to 7.2 centimeter. Okay. Then next, second point, what is it? Draw a ray. Okay. Draw some ray. Let us assume it to be AX. Draw ray AX making an acute angle with AB. Okay. Now let us divide AX into 8 equal parts. Why 8? Write it as 5 plus 3. Okay, since the ratio is given as 8, right? Then join A8 to B. Okay, then fifth point is draw a line A5C parallel to A8B. Okay, therefore C is a point divides AB into 5:3 ratio. Is it clear? These are the different things which you have to write. Is it clear? Then if they ask you to verify, first of all you have to measure these 2 points. Okay, this means these 2 lengths. Okay, after you have to verify it. How do we verify? 5:3, which means what is the length of AC? AC is equal to 5 by 8 into AB, that is 7.2, right? Yes or no? 8 ones are 8, 0.9s are. Let us write it as 5 by 8 into 72 by 10. 8 ones are 8, 9s are 5 ones are 5 twos are 9 by 2 is 4.5 centimeter. Then next BC. BC is again 3 by 8 into 7.2. Let us write it as 3 by 8 into 72 by 10. 8 ones are 8, 9s are again 9 3s are 27 by 10, which is 2.7 centimeter. If you measure, you will get exact thing. Even if you had 4.5 plus 2.7 is nothing but 7.2. Is it okay? Did you understand? This is a basic question which we will use the same strategy and same everything in our next questions. Okay. Now see here, the question given here it is, he is asking us to construct a triangle similar to the triangle ABC with its sides equal to the 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of ABC, right. If you observe here, 5 by 3, numerator is more than denominator, which means the triangle which we are going to consider will be more than the actual triangle, right. Let us do now. He did not give any measurements of triangle ABC. Let us take some triangle. Okay. Let us construct a triangle with sides all having, let us assume it to be 6. Okay. Let us do that. Let us draw a triangle AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to 6 centimeters. Is it okay? Now let us do that. What is the first step? I have to draw AB as 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Is it okay? Then how do I construct BC and CA? With A as center, okay, with A as center, I will draw an arc with radius 6 centimeters, okay. Similarly, with B as center, I will cut this arc with a radius of 6 centimeters, so that this point will be C. The next step will be I will join AC and BC. This is also 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter. Is it okay? Then he is asking us to construct a triangle with the sides of 5 by 3. Again the same thing, 5 by 3. How do we do? There are 5 parts, out of which third part will be this, okay, which means we have to draw 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Is it clear? Now let us draw this third. First of all, let us name this A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Let us join this B to A3. Now we have to draw a line which is parallel to that line. Is it okay? This is parallel to this line. If this is B, let us assume it to be B dash, right. Similarly, we have to extend this point and we have to draw a line parallel to this BC. We have to draw a line parallel to BC. This will be my C dash. Okay. Let us put 3 arrows. Is it clear? Did you understand how did we get? Therefore, my new triangle is A, B dash, C dash. Okay. Once again, let us do what is here. Hope you know how to draw parallel lines, right, which we have learned in previous classes, right. See here, let us construct a triangle similar to the triangle ABC with its sides equal to 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides, right. He did not give any triangle. Let us assume the triangle of equilateral triangle which have same side 6 centimeter. First, draw a line segment AB, okay, of 6 centimeter. Then with A as center and radius as 6 centimeter, draw an arc. Similarly, with B as center and radius as 6 centimeter, cut an arc which is previously drawn. This particular point is C. Now, we have to join AC and AB. This is a ABC triangle, right. The next step, to form a new triangle, let us draw an ray AX. Divide it into 5 parts, in which the third part let us join it with this. Fifth point, let us draw parallel to this, so that it joins this particular line, I mean which joins this AB extension to form a point B dash, and again draw a parallel line so that you will get it as C dash. Okay. Shall we write construction steps? Before that, once again I am telling you should draw a rough diagram. That is nothing but a normal rough diagram. You need not draw a very important or a very dangerous thing. At least draw a rough diagram A, B dash, C dash. Is it clear? Now let us see. Let us write the steps. What is the first step? The first step is draw line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Second, with A as center and radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc at C. Third point, with this B as center, B as center and radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc cutting previous arc at C. Now, fourth step is join AC and BC. Therefore, this is triangle ABC is formed. Is it clear? The next step, what we have to do? The same thing which we did in the last session, that is, sixth point will be draw ray AX making an acute angle with AB, making acute angle with AB. Seventh point is divide AB into 5 parts, right. Join A3 to B. Ninth step is now draw A5B dash which is parallel to A3B. Is it okay? The next I have to draw BC dash, 10th point, draw B dash C dash which is parallel to BC. 11th point is therefore triangle A B dash C dash is the required triangle. Is it okay? If they ask you to verify, you also have to verify. That is, you have to find 5 by 3 of 6. How much do you get? 5 by 3 of 6. 5 by 3 of 6. 3 ones are 3 2s, that is 10. this length should be 10 and this length also should be 10. Is it clear? There is a basic one more question which is used in your construction. Okay. Here we have got a new triangle which is more than the previous triangle. Okay. Did you understand? Hope this question is clear for you. Now see here, the next question given here, it is he is asking us to construct a similar triangle, similar to the triangle ABC with its sides equal to 2 by 3 of corresponding sides of triangle ABC, where AB is 4, BC is 5 and CA is 6. Okay. What is the first step we have to do? We have to draw these 3 sides, that is let us take some triangle, let us take BC. Okay. There is nothing that you have to take only a particular side BC. Let us draw very big BC. It is 5 centimeter. Okay. And the next step is I have to draw AB is equal to 4 centimeters, that is with B as center and 4 as radius. I have to draw a side which is 4 centimeters. Okay. It is 4, right, somewhere here. Okay. Then next CA is 6 centimeters with C as center, 6 as radius. I have to draw B. This is 6. This is A, right. Here it is 4 centimeter. Is it okay? The next step is with its sides equal to 2 by 3 of its corresponding sides. 2 by 3 means the numerator is less than denominator, then obviously my new triangle will be less than this actual triangle. Is it right? The same step what we have to do? We have to draw some ray Bx. I have to divide into how many parts? The maximum number here, that is 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2 by 3, which means the third part we have to join it with this. Okay. Let us name them B1, B2, B3. Okay. I have to draw a line parallel to this B3C, so that I will get it as C dash. Okay. I have to draw a line parallel to this. Okay. What is the next step? I have to join the C dash to this AB such that C dash A dash is parallel to this AC. Is it clear? Then what is the new triangle which we have got here? A dash B C dash. Is it clear? Did you understand? Actually this is very easy to do, but the thing is you have to concentrate, right, and do not forget anything here, right. We have to write given, you have to construct, you have to draw a, what is it, rough diagram, then you have to write steps of construction. Okay. And finally it is better to verify also. Okay. If we see here 2 by 3 of this particular side, what is this whole side? This is 5, right. 2 by 3 of 5, how much is it? 5 2s are 10 by 3, whatever the value it is, 10 by 3, it is almost all some 3.333, this should be like that. Okay. If it is here 2 by 3 of 4, that is 4 2s are 8 by 3, some number, here 6, this should be again 2 by 3 of 6. Okay. Do not forget those kind of basic things. Okay. It is better to verify at last. Is it clear? Fine. By this we have ended the chapter similar triangles. Okay. See here, hope everything is clear in this chapter, because similar triangles is one of the most chapters which is some kind of tricky. Until unless you practice more times you can't get. See here, you can understand everything easily, but we will not get easily which has to be used at which step. Okay. What are the different theorems we have learned in this? We have started with the basic difference of similarity and congruency, right. After that we have started the basic proportionality theorem, its corollary and its converse, and the next in the second exercise we have discussed the different similarity questions, and in the third exercise we have seen the ratio of areas of two similar triangles, and the fourth exercise we have did Pythagoras theorem and its problems, and finally we have did 3 to 4 few construction problems, so that we will complete the all models of the whole chapter. Okay. Hope this chapter is quite clear for you people. Let us move on to the next chapter in our next session. Okay, clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session of 10th class math with a new chapter. Okay, thank you.